is Mike with Compass Heating and Air. I just wanted to get a quick video here, show what a heat pump is and what it looks like. The heat pumps run for heat. It's an air conditioner essentially with the refrigerant going in reverse. Turns the outside unit from a condenser to an evaporator. The inside unit turns to a condenser as opposed to being an evaporator like you would typically expect when you're in the summertime trying to air condition. These units do air conditioning and heating both. When this goes into defrost, as you can see here on the side, we're getting a little bit of frost buildup. When we go into defrost, this particular system is the Daikin VRV Life. When it goes into defrost, or when the temperatures get really cold, these guys rated -4. We'll continue to run after that, but the gas furnace will kick in. So this attaches to a ducted system. We also have the ability to add ductless or additional ducted systems. As a matter of fact, we could use this exact unit and have two gas furnaces. So if you have two furnaces currently, or you would like to add another furnace, or an indoor unit that does heating and cooling for a second floor, you only have one system. This is an awesome setup. It's the first VRV system. Daikin took a commercial grade unit and made it available to run residential utilizing gas furnaces, which is currently the only VRV system that can do that. So fantastic option. This is what I have at my house. Absolutely love it. I have a bedroom above the garage, so I did add a ductless indoor unit, and I'm able to control the master bedroom separately. I can still keep the ductwork that is attached as the original construction, but being over a garage, outside walls, farthest from the furnace, you know how that works. It's definitely nice to have the addition of a ductless unit, and in this case didn't have to add another outdoor unit. It runs off of this same heat pump outdoor unit right here. This is Mike with Compass Heating and Air. Give us a call if it's something that seems like might be able to help you out with the comfort issues in your home.